Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys having a GMC Sierra and trying to find the fuses and the relays for the active grille shutters on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, where we get all our tools and supplies from. We'll share that information in the description of the video below, so let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. Yeah, active grille shutters, fuses and relays. Let's explain guys where you can find them. Now we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra, but quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes located in that GMC Sierra. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. Today, lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to. Open the hood. Then on the driver's side you see that's the brake fluid reservoir here. You have right here the main engine fuse box. Pop that cover open and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, what do we need to check here? That's specifically 2018 model. If you have, okay, let me show you now. If you have a 2014 through 17, the fuse box will look like this one. They have two different fuse boxes. 2014 through 17 looks like that, and the fuse that we need to check is fuse number 54 guys. Okay, now if you have that fuse, okay, will be that one here. Okay, right there. Now if you guys, okay, also you may need to check this one here as well on some models, these two fuses. Just check both of them because there is very limited information about that. The 2018 model, okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, check these two fuses as well. What about the relays? You don't have guys, okay, any relays. You have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses, so that will be the only thing you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.